Welcome to the future home of the C.N. Gorman Museum at UC Davis. This building is located on the land of the Putnam people, specifically the Kachil-Dihi Band of Wintoon Indians of Colusa Indian Community, Quetzil-Dihi Wintoon Nation, and Yochadihi Wintoon Nation. The C.N. Gorman Museum was formally established in 1973 and named in honor of Navajo artist Carl Nelson Gorman, who, as one of the founders of the Native American Studies Department, taught art history and art studio beginning in 1969. According to Jack Forbes, the earliest days of the museum were born in the Tecumseh Center, which was a small little house in downtown Davis. Shortly after, the burgeoning collections, art studio, and museum were located in the temporary buildings next to Walker Hall. It was in 1992 that the museum moved to its current location in Hart Hall for nearly 30 years. A pivotal moment was the C.N. Gorman Museum's 40th anniversary celebration, hosted by then-Chancellor Katehi at the residence. It was at this event where museum and community supporters urged the many university officers in attendance to help the Gorman achieve this next goal. Before the night was complete, the Chancellor made the announcement that the Gorman, quote, would be next in the campus development of art spaces. It was with that commitment and support from campus leaderships that we're here at this moment, just a few days before we break ground and construction begins. Museum membership and the museum's ambassador board have been essential throughout the planning process, listening to so many ideas and thoughts, providing feedback and expertise, their advocacy on campus, throughout the Davis community, and their own networks, and of course their support. But the day that so many have asked about is finally here. The construction begins this week. Over the remainder of 2021, we will be undertaking a substantial renovation of the old UC Davis Faculty Club. It is an extensive project to convert this building into the long-term home of the Gorman Museum and its collections, with all the technical and environmental standards required for a first-class museum. The new museum will feature a 4,000 square foot public gallery for exhibitions, as well as dedicated space to exhibit works from the permanent collections. The lobby will include a small gift shop, a conference room that will also serve as a special collections library, public visibility into our collections working areas, and indoor and outdoor event space in collaboration with the Della Davidson Dance Studio and the UC Davis Arboretum. This is an important moment in the history of the Gorman Museum that has come to fruition by the efforts and support of so very many people. Thank you to each of you. I hope you can celebrate this moment with us.
Sesna Jene, Yahe Yahweh Yahe, Yahe Yahweh Yahe, Yahe Yahweh Yahe, Yahe Yahweh Yahe. Sesna Jene, Yahe Yahweh Yahe, Yahe Yahweh Yahe, Yahe Yahweh Yahe. Sesna Jene, Havade, Nenen Kaje, El Tzedatla, El Tzedatla. Sesna Jene, Diye Kotel Sawa, Diye Kotel Sawa, Diye Kotel Sawa, Diye Kotel Sawa. Sesna Jene, Saute Zinsala, Saute Zinsala, Hojo Sinsala, Hojo Sinsala. Sesna Jene, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh. Sesna Jene, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh. Sesna Jene, Havade, Nenen Kaje, El Tzedatla, El Tzedatla. Sesna Jene, Diye Kotel Sawa, Diye Kotel Sawa, Diye Kotel Sawa, Diye Kotel Sawa. Sesna Jene, Saute Zinsala, Saute Zinsala, Hojo Sinsala, Hojo Sinsala. Sesna Jene, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh. Sesna Jene, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh. Sesna Jene, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh, Yahe Yahweh. Sesna Jene.